Imagine doubling your wealth in just 6 months. Sounds impossible, right? But what if I told you that one of the world's greatest investors, Warren Buffett, has a simple strategy that could turn that idea into reality? In today's video, we're going to dive into how Warren Buffett's timeless principles can dramatically transform your financial situation, no matter where you're starting from. Whether you're a beginner on this journey or someone already on the path to financial freedom, these strategies can help you reach your wealth goals faster than you ever thought possible. Warren Buffett, often called the Oracle of Omaha, has built a fortune of over $100 billion through smart investments and disciplined strategies. His advice isn't just for the elite, it's for anyone willing to learn and apply his principles. That's why following Buffett's advice could be the key to skyrocketing your wealth. But before we dive into these life-changing tips, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you find it valuable. Also, let me know in the comments. What's one financial goal you want to achieve in the next 6 months? Just type wealth to share your thoughts and join the conversation. Now that we've set the stage, let's talk about something that's absolutely crucial for your financial success: mindset. First, let's discuss the wealth mindset. Many people operate with a scarcity mindset, constantly worrying about money and believing there's never enough to go around. This kind of thinking keeps you stuck and prevents you from seeing opportunities for growth. On the other hand, a wealth mindset is about abundance, believing that there are endless possibilities for earning and growing your wealth. This shift in mindset is the foundation of financial success. Next, you need to think like the rich. Wealthy individuals have certain thought patterns and habits that set them apart. They focus on long-term gains instead of short-term pleasures. They invest in themselves, and they see challenges as opportunities. Adopting these habits is crucial if you want to start building wealth and living a life of financial freedom. Finally, it's all about personal accountability. Taking full responsibility for your financial decisions is key. You can't blame the economy, your upbringing, or anyone else for your financial situation. Once you accept that you're in control, you can start making the changes needed to achieve your wealth goals. Now that we've covered the mindset, let's move on to the practical side of building wealth: investing. And who better to guide us than Warren Buffett himself? First, let's talk about starting small, but thinking big. You don't need a fortune to start investing. Even a small amount can grow significantly over time if you follow the right principles. Buffett himself began with modest investments, but he always thought big. He focused on quality investments that could grow over the long term, and that's exactly what you should aim for. Next, understand the power of compound interest. This is one of the most powerful forces in wealth accumulation. The idea is simple. You earn interest on your investments, and then you earn interest on the interest you've already earned. Over time, this creates a snowball effect, dramatically increasing your wealth. The sooner you start, the more time you have to benefit from this compounding effect. Finally, remember the importance of a long-term focus. Warren Buffett is famous for his patient, long-term investment approach. He's not interested in quick profits or get-rich-quick schemes. Instead, he invests in companies and assets he believes in, holding on to them for years, even decades. This long-term focus is crucial because it allows your investments to grow and weather the ups and downs of the market. In the end, it's not about timing the market, it's about time in the market. With the right mindset and investment principles in place, let's dive into the practical steps you can start taking today to build your wealth. First, live below your means. This might sound simple, but it's one of the most important habits you can develop. Warren Buffett is famous for his frugal lifestyle despite being one of the richest people in the world. The key is to save more than you spend. By controlling your expenses and living within your means, you free up more money to invest and grow your wealth over time. Next, diversify your income streams. Relying on just one source of income is risky, and Buffett himself recommends creating multiple streams of income. This could mean starting a side business, investing in real estate, or even generating passive income through investments. The goal is to build a financial safety net that allows you to continue growing your wealth, even if one source of income takes a hit. Lastly, educate yourself continuously. The world of finance and investing is always evolving, and the more you know, the better decisions you can make. Warren Buffett spends hours every day reading and learning about new investment opportunities and trends. You don't have to be an expert, but committing to continuous learning will give you a significant advantage. Whether it's through books, courses, or even YouTube channels like this one, keep expanding your financial knowledge. As we continue on this journey to wealth, two key traits will determine your success: patience, and discipline. First, let's talk about delayed gratification. In today's world, it's easy to give in to the temptation of instant rewards, whether it's buying the latest gadget or splurging on something you don't really need. But Warren Buffett is a strong advocate of resisting these impulses. The ability to delay gratification is what separates those who build lasting wealth from those who struggle financially. By holding off on unnecessary spending and investing that money instead, you set yourself up for greater rewards in the future. Next, consistent action is crucial. Building wealth isn't about making one big move, it's about taking small, consistent steps every day. This means regularly contributing to your savings and investments, no matter how small the amount may be. Over time, these consistent actions compound, leading to significant financial growth. It's this discipline of steady, incremental progress that forms the backbone of successful wealth building. Lastly, avoiding debt is essential. Debt can be a major obstacle to financial freedom, and it's something Warren Buffett has always been wary of. High-interest debt, in particular, can quickly spiral out of control, eating away at your wealth. The key is to live within your means and avoid taking on debt unless it's absolutely necessary and manageable. By staying out of debt, you keep more of your money working for you rather than paying it out in interest. To bring all these principles to life, let's look at some real-life examples of individuals who have followed similar advice and achieved remarkable financial success. First, consider the story of Ronald Read, a janitor and gas station attendant who amassed an $8 million fortune by the time he passed away. How did he do it? By living frugally, investing consistently in blue-chip stocks, and letting the power of compound interest work its magic over time. Read's story is a powerful example of how following these simple yet effective principles can lead to significant wealth, regardless of your starting point. Another inspiring example is Grace Groner, a secretary who turned a small investment into a $7 million fortune. She purchased 3 shares of Abbott Laboratories stock for $180 in 1935, reinvested the dividends, and held on to the stock for decades. Her disciplined, long-term approach to investing paid off tremendously, showcasing the power of patience and consistent action. Of course, we can't talk about these principles without mentioning Warren Buffett's own journey. Buffett started investing at the age of 11, purchasing his first stock for $38. He's known for his frugality, living in the same modest house in Omaha since 1958, and for his long-term investment strategy. One of his famous quotes is, "The stock market is designed to transfer money from the active to the patient." His life is a testament to the power of delayed gratification, consistent investment habits, and avoiding unnecessary debt. These are the very principles that helped him become one of the richest individuals in the world. As you embark on your journey to building wealth, it's important to be aware of the common pitfalls that can derail your progress. First, beware of get-rich-quick schemes. In the quest for financial success, it's easy to be tempted by opportunities that promise instant wealth with little to no effort. However, these schemes are often too good to be true and can result in significant financial loss. Warren Buffett himself has always advocated for a disciplined, long-term approach to investing. Remember, true wealth is built over time through consistent effort, not by chasing unrealistic shortcuts. Another major pitfall is emotional investing. Making investment decisions based on fear, greed, or other emotions can lead to poor outcomes. For example, selling your investments during a market downturn out of fear can lock in losses, while buying into a market frenzy can lead to overpaying for assets. Buffett's approach is to stay calm and rational, even when the market is volatile. He focuses on the underlying value of investments rather than getting caught up in short-term market movements. By staying disciplined and making decisions based on logic rather than emotion, you're more likely to achieve long-term success. Let's quickly recap the key points we've covered today. We started by discussing the importance of a wealth mindset and how adopting the habits of the rich can set you on the right path. We talked about the power of compound interest, the need for a long-term focus, and the practical steps you can take to start building wealth right now. We also explored the significance of patience and discipline, and we highlighted real-life examples, including Warren Buffett's own journey. Finally, we discussed common pitfalls to avoid, like get-rich-quick schemes and emotional investing. The key takeaway here is that anyone can build wealth by following these principles. You don't need to be a financial expert or start with a large sum of money. What you need is the right mindset, consistent action, and the patience to see it through. These principles have worked for countless others, and they can work for you too. Now it's time for you to take action. Start implementing these strategies today. Whether it's setting up an automatic savings plan, investing in a diversified portfolio, or simply educating yourself more about finance, the sooner you start, the sooner you'll begin to see your wealth grow. And here's a final thought. Your financial transformation is within your reach. The journey might not always be easy, but with persistence and the right approach, you have the power to create the financial future you've always dreamed of. Before you go, here's a sneak peek of what's coming next on Money Lab. In our next video, we'll dive into the top investment strategies for beginners. Perfect if you're just starting out or looking to refine your approach. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. So make sure you're subscribed and have notifications turned on. That way, you'll be the first to know when our new content drops. Thanks for watching, and remember, the journey to wealth starts with a single step. Take that step today and keep building that wealth.